Hello everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix cloud save error in Meccha Chameleon on Steam. Let's get straight to it. So the first thing you need to do is by going on your Steam and go ahead and click on library, right click on Meccha Chameleon, click on properties, and then make sure Steam Cloud is enabled. This will fix any Steam Cloud related issues as you have right now. Okay, the first step is now done, and also make sure that you verify integrity of game files for Mega Chameleon, so you fix any corrupted files that might be on Mega Chameleon. Go ahead and try the game first if it's fixed. If it doesn't, we have another solution. Make sure you go ahead and close up Steam completely. Go ahead and click on the arrow button on your taskbar and exit Steam. Once done, make sure you are currently not running any Steam related app on your task manager. Go ahead and open up your task manager and find any Steam related issue. If you don't find any, then it is not running in the background. Go ahead and close up task manager. And the next one we should do is by going and right click on your task manager and click on adjust date and time. Now over here, the main three part we need to do is set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Once you enable both that, go ahead and click on sync. Now, also make sure the time zone is correct on your region. Once done, go ahead and reopen your Steam and run your game. And the cloud save error should be gone on Mecca Chameleon. If this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.